purify.
Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1969 Chevelle. This one here has a 454 under the hood, power steering, drum brakes all the way around the car. I know it says 396, but it's a 454, guys. We got 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. That website also offers financing and shipping information, so go there, check it out. You can see a walk around video of this car, point out any kind of flaws on the outside, inside, and underneath. I'll link it to the end of this video, or just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. We do full lot walks, test drives, and walkarounds. We post videos daily. All right, guys, it's about time to hit the road. Let's go for a ride. Take a look at the interior before we take off here. Doesn't look too bad. Headliner's got some issues in the back corners on both sides. Back seat's in good shape. Console looks pretty good. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works? Tach's right here in your face. Does work. You got another one here that's not hooked up. Gas gauge is showing half the tank. We'll see if that works. It's floating around. It gives me a good indication it does. Showing 89,000 miles on the dash. Of course, it's a 69 model. That's really hard to stand behind. We don't have any wiper blades. You can see at one point they did have the wiper blades on there because there's light scratches on the windshield where there were old blades. I couldn't even get the wipers to turn. The little nubs that are up there, they're not turning. Could be a motor issue or a switch issue. It's going to need a blower motor for the interior. And the horn, no spring, not hooked up. Let's take off down the road, see how she drives. All right, so I noticed the seatbelt works. It's missing the cover though. All right, definitely check out the walk around video. This one has quite a few exterior flaws on the paint that you're going to want to know about. Kind of like the dash here's got a big crack, and it needs some electrical work on your blower motor, your horn, your wipers. We'll see how she runs and drives. Anything that I see, I will let you know. I want you to know everything before you get here. I hear the belt squeaking a little bit on the power steering. Speedometer's coming up. Gas gauge is floating around. That's a good sign, so it should be working. The steering's nice and tight. Car feels quick. Had a little pop from the carburetor there. They didn't hook up the kick down. Got a highway gear so you can jump on the interstate. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. Woo! Brakes are touchy. They stop fast. They feel pretty good. Running and driving wise, this thing's nice. Nice cam. Spinning the tires a little bit. Lots of extra traffic today. I'm not sure why. Lunchtime's what it is. boating. Get the boating going on over here. Get out, boat, guys. Feels like everybody is right now. Woo! This is a tire puller, that's for sure. We're gonna pull in this parking lot here, get some outside shots, let you see what it looks like from the outside, drive over the camera, give you undercarriage shots, and all my gear is below in the descriptions. Go check that out if you're interested. I also put links to Amazon on there where you can purchase all the stuff right from where I got it. Good deal. Okay guys, getting ready to take off here. Everything seems good. Been rolling around the parking lot, getting some exterior shots for y'all. And this thing easily kicks the tires over, that's for sure. I wasn't even trying to do it when I drove by the camera, but it did it anyways. You just give it gas. Burns out forever. It is a one-wheel pull here. Got a little smoke in the cab out though. Nice and straight, smooth. Hit this road here that's got the speed bump in it. Everybody likes this road now. Try to let them get way ahead. Not sure what they're doing. There we go. Speed bump's coming up right here. Pretty smooth. Heard a little rattle from this. I'm telling you, I'm not actually meaning to do that. I was trying to give it a little gas so we could take off. It just does it easily. Yeah, no problem doing that, that's for sure. You hear that power steering belt squeaking and stuff. All right, guys, I appreciate you riding along with me. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that ride. Check out the walk around description video to learn more about this car. If you have any other questions, go to maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping options. I have that listed below in the description, along with our number here, 615-822-4444. I try to do these videos to help y'all out, the way you know what kind of cars we have, or what kind of car this is. And you can see all of them in detail right here on YouTube. Just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. You can look up any of our cars. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button, and if you don't mind, share our videos. It helps us out greatly. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day.